Hello students, welcome to new video of class 10 mathematics chapter triangle, video number 5. In previous video we explained the Thales theorem, BPT, and based question on BPT and the converse theorem. In this video I will explain the topic similarity of triangles. In class 9th, you know what is the congruency. Congruency means, you know, same shape, same size. We only explain the congruency about triangle. Same shape, same size, so figure are congruent. But in similarity of triangle, that is same shape, different size. Means if I say a triangle ABC and triangle PQR similar, it's a sign of similarity. Only same shape, and this is the for shape and this is for size. So there is only same shape. So if two triangles are similar, means if triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, so all corresponding angles are equal, means angle A is equal to angle B, angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, and all corresponding sides ratio are equal. Means AB, BC and AC are the sides of first triangle. So ratio means first upon second. So in from second triangle PQ, QR and PR. This is the ratio of corresponding side, and this is the equal angles. Means if two triangles are similar, so these two are always follow. But if triangles is not similar given, so how we prove that triangles are similar? So when triangles are not given similar, so by using similarities rule we can prove triangles are similar. So there are 4 similarity rules. And all 4 are different. These are all corresponding angles are equal. A, any two corresponding angles are equal. any two SAS, any two corresponding sides ratio equal and angle between them are equal. We explain this. SAS, support these two triangles ABC, XYZ. So if AB upon XY, AC upon XZ means these two sides ratio equal and angle between them means which two side ratio equal, the angle between them, that is angle A, angle X, also equal. So triangle ABC, similar triangle XYZ by SAS similarity. That is the SAS, means two sides ratio and angle between them are equal. SSS, all three corresponding sides ratio are equal, means for the same figure, if AB upon XY, BC upon YZ, AC upon XZ, so triangle ABC, similar triangle XYZ by triple S similarity. So these four similarity rule for proving the triangles are similar. First thing, pause the video, note down. So you read this question. Example, in the given figure, E is the point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular on BC and EF is perpendicular on AC, prove that ABD is similar triangle ECF. So let's see. First thing, ABC is an isosceles triangle. With AB equal to AC. Question number 11. E point on side BC produce, this BC is produced in this figure, is produced in left side, you can also produce in right side, it's depend such that AD perpendicular on BC, AD perpendicular on BC, EF perpendicular on EC, AC, so prove that ABC similar triangle ECF. What's the given? In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, AD perpendicular on BC and EF perpendicular on AC. To prove, triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. So firstly, ABD sorry, ABD ECF always we sorry, always we explain कि before starting the question, suggestion to you, first we draw a rough sketch in your mind how we solve it. So you want to prove that these two similar. We have four similarity rule. You know, this is very golden rule. Why? Because we only prove that any two angles are equal. If any two angles are equal, so triangles are similar. So for here, one angles are we have to find, angle D and angle F. And even more angles you can find them equal. So these two are similar. So what's the given? In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, that is given. So angle opposite of AB, that is angle ACB. Angle opposite of AC, that is ABC, means this opposite angle this and this opposite angle this. Isosceles triangle property. By the isosceles triangle property, angle opposite of equal sides are also equal. Then these angles are equal. So we have to find them. Two angles equal, triangle similar. So only write the steps. Take triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, angle ABC is equal to angle ABD. In this triangle, that is ABD, that is ABC, same angle is equal to angle ECF. Prove above. We already prove above. Always when you write this step, remember them. In ABD, if you write in left side, ECF and write in right side. So ABD parts in right in left side and this in right side. Then second angle ADB is equal to angle EFC, each 90. So triangle ABD, similar triangle ECF by angle similarity. Solve it. I hope so you have no problem to understanding this question. Pause with note down. Let's see one more example. D is the point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC and angle BAC are equal, so that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So what's the figure? ABC is triangle such that ADC, ADC is equal to angle BAC. Only one thing is given. So what's the given? In triangle ABC, D on BC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. To prove, CA square is equal to CB into CD. So one more concept here. Ki first you see the question and same thing, draw a rough sketch in your mind. Ki how we solve it. CA square we want 2 times. Where is CA? This. Means we think that CA included both triangle. CB, where is CB? That is CB. CB in triangle ABC. Very good. In big triangle ABC that includes CB. Where is CD? CD is this. And CD is the part of triangle ADC. In this question, there is 3 triangle, but we want only 2, where have BC and DC. So ABC and ADC. Why? Because CA in both and CB in first triangle, CD in second triangle. That's a ratio part. If you resemble them, can we write this? Can we write इसको उधर भेज दिया, चले आया. So CA upon CD, CA upon CD, and the CB upon CA. That's a ratio of 2 sides between these 2 triangles. But when this is equal, when the triangles are similar, when these 2 triangles are similar, so these ratio are equal. Means firstly prove that triangles similar. Same, we have to force similarity rule, but the golden rule AA. You know, angle C is common in both, and angle D is also given. Means we have no any types of pain for finding which 2 angles equal. That's already seen. So proof in triangle ABC and triangle DAC, angle BAC, this angle equal to angle ADC given. Same, this part this. Next, angle ACB is equal to angle ACD, common angle. You see the main figure, angles C are included in both triangle. So triangle ABC similar triangle DAC by angle similarity. So when 2 triangles are similar, so its corresponding sides equal, but we have to only write corresponding part of similar triangle. Only 2 parts which we want. If we take from the first triangle BC, very important thing we explained in first video, corresponding part. If we take BC from first triangle, this is the opposite of this angle, and this angle is equal to this. So this opposite AC, that is the corresponding part. So BC upon AC or CA, that's your wish. Because you want CA, we can write CA. You also write CB, no any problem. CB opposite of angle A, and angle A is equal to angle D, and D opposite of AC. Same, we want CA from the first triangle, CA opposite of this angle, and this 2 equal to this, so remain angle A, these 2 angle equal, so opposite of this AC, opposite of this CD. That is a corresponding part of similar triangle. Cross multiply CA into CA, CA square CB into CB. Hence, proof. Means here is not given to prove triangle similar. But what we want for this, we can prove that triangle similar. Because we have to find them. These is the corresponding parts. These are the ratio. And ratio when the triangle is similar. Okay? Pause video down.